Sometimes I think randomly that if I were a whiteboard marker, what would happen? How would I have been contribute in the lives of the people, lives of the pupil or the student? I am amazed because the whiteboard marker has the enormous opportunity to write anything in this whiteboard and to teach the student. And it's just like the blank cloth for the painter to give shape his imaginations in this blank cloth. Similarly, I would have the opportunity to teach a lot of students who come across in my life, and I could have the opportunity to make their life by writing some things in this whiteboard marker, and that is my satisfactions. But definitely that whiteboard markings must be indelible, otherwise what will happen? Whatever I am writing, whatever I am teaching to them, it's a subject to be forgotten, and that's why it will be not long lasting. That's why I want to be the indelible ink life, that whiteboard marker. And I will definitely make sure that whatever I will teach, it will be flawless. It will be beneficial for everybody, for them. They will never get any opportunity to forget these things. That will be my ideal contribution to the society, to the student, and to the country. And they will become productive. I dream that day that with my contributions in the teachings as an indelible whiteboard permanent marker, I can imprint or impregnate those ideas in the young minds, just like the blank canvas. They will create their own creations with their own imaginations, and it is supported by my ideas, what is written in the whiteboard marker with the indelible ink permanent marker. It's a novel thing. It's a novel thing of contribution to the society, to the country, and they become engaged in their own focus in that way. We can extract the lot of power, energy, and contributions from those young guys, young girls effectively. It will be very much beneficial for the society in turn. So to conclude, that I want to be whiteboard markers, but that is not the temporary marking. That will be the permanent markers with the indelible ink. Whatever I write in the minds of the young people, young student, it will remain forever. And they can revise again and again when they want. Then it will be immensely applicable in their own life, and it will be beneficial for the society and the country and for their individual lives as well. So in this way, my life will be totally fulfilled in serving the mankind. That's all.